Hello everyone, thank you for joining with me in this painting. Today we will be painting a very simple landscape using soft pastels. So let's begin. One of the best things about soft pastels is that you can easily blend them with your fingers. And the worst thing is that you can easily smudge them too. So if you aren't careful enough, you can end up ruining your painting. This is a clay eraser. You can mold them into any shapes. Here I am using it to make the sunshine effect. This is a charcoal pencil. Camlin charcoal pencil. I'm using it to draw the background. If you are a beginner, do give it a try and let me know how it went on the comment section. You can also tag me on Instagram or share it on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe.